In this video, we're going to learn how you can translate a work order PDF in Spanish, which is very easy if you're on a mobile app and you can simply open any work order. So I'm going to open drive-in transition service work order because that work order has a work order PDF in it. So you can simply open it beyond this details tab. And let's see if you only want to translate drive-in transition service, like the title, description, and the special instruction in Spanish, then you can simply click on this ES icon and it will gonna translate the entire description, special instruction in Spanish. And for an example, if you want to translate the entire work order PDF, you can simply click on this icon and you will be gonna see the entire work order translated in Spanish, and your Spanish crew will definitely gonna know what they need to do at the property. So this is how you can translate a work order PDF and the instruction in Spanish in Hayvee mobile application. This is all for today. I'll see you soon.